Hello everyone, this is Dr. Yatrik Kheradia. I'm working with Dr. Farokh Master since 2015. So today I'm going to share my experience with him on treating and management of chronic kidney disease. So we see almost 8 to 10 cases, new cases of kidney in his private practice every week. And I'm not counting the number of patients which we see in Bombay Hospital and 𝐾EM Hospital OPD. We have seen him use a lot of remedies, unique remedies like bowel nosodes like mutabile. He also uses remedies like creatine, urea, cortisone as an intercurrent along with the indicated remedy. He often prescribes 𝐸 serum 9X also. So in the market, if you see the 𝐸 serum 9X is not available, but he gets it specially made from one of the pharmacies and then administers them to the chronic kidney patients. And we have seen good results with the 𝐸 serum 9X as well. One of the case which I had seen in Bombay Hospital OPD was of a 26-year-old female, and her creatinine went from 16 to 22 while she was getting treated from some local homeopathic doctor from her locality. She was not a resident from Mumbai, and after the treatment her creatinine came down to 14 and then 9 and then 6. So this was one of the most exciting case that I saw with Dr. Farokh Master. And he always says that if there are, like most of the cases what we have seen with respect to chronic kidney disease, if they are on dialysis, the scope is very much limited. That's what he always teaches us, and that's what we have also seen. Whereas the cases where the dialysis has not been taken, we have got excellent scope. So that's my experience with Dr. Farokh Master's management of chronic kidney disease. Thank you everyone.